here we are again. I'm in my office and there's something on my table that's stopping me from tearing this carburetor apart to show all of you just how a carburetor works, because now I'm going to modify the carburetor for the DIO 125cc engine or whatever. I'm in my office due to the fact, for the first time in 7 years, my lovely little Dell computer, which I put thousands of hours on, has gone tits up. Alright, cat, can you say that? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Tits up. What does that mean? Glad you asked that question, cat. Tits up is an American phrase meaning it's broke. It's totally broke. It's just gone dead. Yeah. Well, I can see you really care. So as soon as I can get this cat moved, we are going to tear apart this $350 genuine KN PKW 28mm Sudco carburetor. This isn't your standard one. This is a racing one. I bought it like this. It is a hell of a carburetor. Very expensive too. And after I tear apart the carburetor, we're going to go through step by step and learn how it works as a metering device. A lot of people are afraid of carburetors. They're afraid, oh, I can't touch that. It'll break. It'll. We won't talk about the carburetor because it's. I can't work on it. Well, you're going to learn how. And then we're going to put all the really nice power jet stuff on. You really can't see it because this fat ass is in the way. Hint, hint, hint. Prego, prego. Prego? What do you think about that? I can read her thoughts. She's going, don't bother me, asshole. Fine. So as soon as I get the cat off my table, then we're going to go through the carburetor. We're going to go through all the parts. I'm going to go through all of the processes which the carburetor does. They're very simple. They make millions and millions of these things. Okay? They're simple. But a lot of people don't work on them, so they don't understand that. But get your damn tail out of there, damn it. Jesus. I'm going to send you back to the orphanage. You got that? Orphanage. Glue factory. Sayonara.